We must now verify that our install gap is correct by checking free play gain. Place the transmission in neutral and let the engine warm up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Wrap the supplied rubber band around the grip and clutch lever as shown here. Now quickly blip the throttle to about 3,500 RPM and let it return to idle. Each time you blip the throttle, the clutch lever should quickly move in towards the grip about 1/8 of an inch. This 1/8 of an inch means that your install gap is set correct. It is possible to have too much or no free play gain at all. If anything other than 1/8 inch of movement is happening, you must readjust your adjustment screw on the pressure plate. Adjusting the screw clockwise will provide less free play gain, whereas adjusting the screw counterclockwise will provide more free play gain. Once the 1/8 inch of free play gain is achieved, we can do our break-in procedure.